This is HTC U11 Life, and today I'll show how you can slightly improve the system performance on this device. So if your smartphone feels sluggish, slow, and does not meet your performance expectations, I recommend that you start with clearing your RAM cache, or to use an alternative wording to close all background running and background active apps, which you can do by tapping at this digital button here, then going all the way to the top and tapping at the clear all option here. Now all the background active apps were closed and nothing clutters your RAM cache anymore. Another advice that I have for you guys is that you perform a storage cleanup, remove some unused apps, big files, etc. The easiest method that allows you to perform a thorough and decent storage cleanup is through settings. Then here find and open the storage category, then tap at this free up space button, select what elements you would like to erase, and now free up the space here. And the final advice that I would give to you guys is that you go into the battery category of settings. Where is it? Here it is. And make sure that the battery saver feature is switched off, since once enabled, it reduces your performance potential to conserve some battery and to, reduce the power consumption. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.